Dear children of class 6th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today I will show you all how to do the activity of parts of leaf based on your chapter number 7, getting to know plants. For this activity you require a paper leaf. You can take any paper leaf, okay, because we want to learn about the different parts of the leaf, and with the help of a paper leaf you can make beautiful impression on the paper. Now this is your paper leaf. You require a white paper, pencil and eraser. Now let's begin with the activity. See children, this is your paper leaf. This is the front portion of the leaf which is brightly colored, and this is the back portion of the leaf which is little dull in color. Now this is the paper on which you want to do the activity. Now below this paper we are keeping the leaf. Now see children, you are keeping the leaf upside down. Upside down means the back portion of the leaf should be front. Now keep this leaf like this and put your paper like this. Now hold your leaf very properly, taking care that your leaf is not moving, and very slowly with the help of a pencil you are doing the pencil shading. Can you see children how I am doing? Can you see beautiful impression of the leaf is coming on the paper? You can see the tip of the leaf. Okay, now you can remove your leaf. And you can rub the remaining portion which is outside of the leaf. Okay, can you see? Now label this diagram very properly. Now you can see the part of the leaf by which is it attached to the stem is said to be the petiole. The middle portion of the leaf is said to be the thick middle portion, that is said to be the midrib. Okay, now the green broad portion of the leaf is said to be the lamina. Okay, now the lines you can see which are coming from the midrib is said to be the veins, V-E-I-N-S, and the smaller lines which are coming from the veins are said to be the veinlets. The last portion of the leaf is said to be the leaf apex. Okay, and the name of your activity is parts of leaf. Now children, do this activity very nicely. It's a very simple activity and you will really enjoy doing this activity.